Modern engineers estimate it would take 10 massive tunnel boring machines to build this today. Yet, it was carved out of a single mountain over 1,200 years ago. Historians claim this masterpiece was created using nothing but simple iron hammers and small hand chisels. But when you look at the math, the official story falls apart. The Kailasa Temple in Ellora, India, is not a building in the traditional sense. It is a monolithic sculpture on a scale that defies human comprehension. To create this, workers had to remove over 400,000 tons of solid rock. That is twice the volume of the Parthenon in Athens. Here's the first impossibility. The temple was carved from the top down, a technique that allows for zero mistakes. If a single pillar cracked or a measurement was off by an inch, the entire mountain would have been ruined. There was no way to replace what was cut away. Mainstream archaeology says this was completed in just 18 years. Calculations show that workers would have had to remove 5 tons of rock every single hour. That is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for nearly 2 decades. With no power tools, this rate of excavation is physically impossible. And where is the debris? 400,000 tons of basalt would create a mountain of rubble, yet not a single stone from the excavation has ever been found. It's as if the rock simply evaporated into thin air. Some researchers suggest a form of high-frequency technology was used to vaporize the stone. Inside the temple, we find narrow ventilation shafts and drainage systems that go deep into the earth. The precision of these tunnels exceeds the capability of primitive tools. In the 8th century, King Krishna I supposedly commissioned this, but legend says the architect realized he could only finish it by starting from the top. This suggests the builders had a complete 3-dimensional map of the temple before they even touched the rock. How did they visualize the finished product inside a solid mountain? Was the Kailasa Temple built by a civilization with technology we are only now beginning to understand? Tell me your theory in the comments below. The truth is buried in the stone, waiting for those brave enough to look. I am Artifact Files, and the history you know is only half the story.